Today we will be learning about how to find the lowest common denominator, LCD, with the birthday cake method. So first step is that you make this upside down division bar, and you can write whatever numbers you want. I put 50 and 60, whatever numbers you want. So you divide 10 by each number. 50 divided by 10 is 5, and 60 divided by 10 is 6. And then, so we have to multiply. The second step is 10 times 5 and 10 times 6 is 300, because you can break it down. Look, you bring down the 10, and 5 times 6 is 30. You bring down the 30, and 10 times 30 is 300. If you have look at this, 12 and 60 divided by 2 and 10. Can you divide 2 and 10? Is there like another number that you can divide by? Yes, you can. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So you have to multiply. The third step. 6 times 2 times 1 times 5 equals 60, because we break it up. 6 times 2 is 12, and 1 times 5 is 5. 12 times 5 equals 60, and that's how you get the answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. See you later, and bye bye.